What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the smart water box before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Smart Water Box works. What Smart Water Box actually is, the marketing language uses words like system and blueprint interchangeably, which can confuse first-time buyers. Here's the plain version. Smart Water Box is a digital guide. You receive a downloadable package containing build instructions, a parts list, sourcing recommendations, and walkthrough videos. You then assemble the unit yourself using parts you can typically source from a hardware store or online for $200, $400 in addition to the guide price. The end product is a compact atmospheric water generator, a small box that pulls humid air across a refrigerated coil, condenses water vapor, runs it through a multi-stage filter, and delivers clean drinking water. It's the same fundamental engineering principle as any commercial AWG, just packaged for someone willing to do the assembly. How the system works. The build follows a simple but effective design. A fan draws ambient air across a cold coil. Water vapor condenses on the coil, drips into a collection tray, and gravity feeds through a carbon filter and a polishing stage before reaching the output spout. The whole unit is roughly the size of a small dorm fridge and runs on standard 120V power, though the guide includes notes for solar-compatible variants. This isn't proprietary technology. The same physics powers the dehumidifier in your basement. What the blueprint provides is the specific component selection, the cooling stage tuning, and the filtration stack that makes the output drinkable rather than just collected. That said, if you're curious about whether to skip the blueprint and design your own, the broader principles are covered in our Water from Air guide.